Is this the future of multi-monitor setups? From monitoring your PC system specs, to watching movies, to even browsing the web, this massive 13.3-inch screen can do it all. With a setup like this, I could have everything right here. I have my time, my date, world time. What time is it back home in New York? I can see it right there at a glance. And then you can change it based on what you're doing. So if you want to have your work apps, your Microsoft apps, if you're in a meeting, maybe you want to snip, you want to take a screenshot, you want to pull up your calculator. I feel like I can already do so much with this screen, and I haven't even scratched the surface of what's possible yet. I have a miniature screen under my main monitor right here. I have to run all the cables, I have to connect everything, I have to mess with it in Windows. But with this, it's built right into the PC, and it takes all the trouble work out. You don't have to shop for a screen, you don't have to set it up, you don't need a stand or anything like that. It's all right here, and it's really bright, it's really big, it's almost perfect. So you can pick your own background, you can use AI-generated images if you want. You can have video backgrounds instead of just still images. You can really tweak the colors. There's a lot you can do, and it all just through MSI's software. So we have seen PC cases with screens in them before, but you have to build them yourself. You have to troubleshoot, you have to do all that stuff on your own. Here, it's all integrated right into the case of the MEG Vision XAI, and this is a flagship gaming desktop from MSI. It's going to have all the bells and whistles, the latest graphics card, latest processor, when it launches at the end of this year. And as you see, we have RGB fans on the inside. We have an RGB light bar here. We have one on the bottom, and you can actually control them all right with the screen. Patrick Gelsinger, the CEO of Intel, he signed it when he stopped by the show floor the other day at Computex. It's using one of MSI special motherboards where all the connectors are in the back. So you have a really clean build on the inside. All right, normally I build my own PCs, I love doing it, but with this integrated screen and how it works just so well with everything, I might consider going with a pre-built this time around. For me personally, the way that I would use this is, let's say I'm working on my main monitor, I always need to keep up with the latest news, so I love to just come through Google News, scroll through, see what's in the news boxes, see what's trending, and to make sure I don't miss any upcoming stories. So, as a writer, I'm more of a words guy, and math kind of eludes me, and I would love to just bring up the calculator and do some quick math when I need it. My own desktop PC, I use Rocket Launcher to quickly access the apps I need. I know it's like the macOS dock, but I'm a Windows user. So here I could kind of replace that, and I could have all the apps I need right here. So I could just doot, and open what I need to. Typically with the smaller displays we see in desktop PCs, it's just for monitoring your specs. And you can see all that here. You see your temperatures and your frequencies, your clock speeds, but you can also switch at the bottom. So if I'm gonna play a game, you can go to extreme performance, or I'm in a meeting, I don't want my PC making a lot of noise, you can switch to silent. That is pretty cool. So that was the MEG Vision XAI. It's coming at the end of this year. It's a really neat idea, and instead of having to do it yourself, MSI did all the hard work by integrating the 13.3-inch touchscreen display into the front of the PC case. So if you had a gaming desktop with a giant 13.3-inch touchscreen, what would you use it for? Let us know in the comments below. For more Computex coverage, follow our live blog at tomsguide.com and keep up with us on social at tomsguide. And I'll see you in the next one.